Good morning, everyone. We're continuing here in the laws of KASHRUS of Binyamin Forst. We're talking about Gevinas Akum, the cheese that is made by the non-Jews. Yesh lishol, you can ask the following question: Hari nosnu begevina rak ma'at me'or hakeva, harubata b'miuto. If a little bit of the skin of the walls of the stomach is put inside of the milk that's making the cheese, so it should be what's called batal b'mi'utoi. So since it's such a small amount, it should be batal, it should be nullified in the larger amount of the milk and the cheese that is there. So in that case, why then is the cheese that is made by the non-Jews, why is it asur? Why is it prohibited? Well, there's nothing to be concerned about over here because everything is going to be kosher. Hatshuvahi, the answer is shebechol zois, nevertheless, or hakevish shehu maimir es agvina. The stomach lining is something that is maimir. It holds up the gvina, holds up the cheese. Hu davar hamaimir. It's called a davar hamaimir, something that is holding up that which is in it. The kol davar hamaimir, and anything that is holding up the thing that's in it, Eino batal, it's not nullified, which means that the skin of the stomach of the animal, the non-kosher animal over here, retains its status. And it's never batal, it's never nullified, no matter how much you put it into. You could still ask though, why are they only concerned about the stomach lining of a non-kosher animal? Even if you had the stomach lining of an animal that was shechted properly, you still have a mixture of meat and milk, because the stomach lining of the animal is meat. The milk that's in there, obviously that's milk. And you just told me that the stomach lining, which is a davar hamayim, it supports the milk that's in there, the cheese that's in there, is never batal, never nullified. So therefore, you should have meat and milk, v'nesva gvina, and therefore the cheese should be asur. You should not be allowed to eat it. V'im kain, gam gvinas Yisrael asur. Even cheese that's made by a Jew, where you know for sure it's Jewish milk, and it's an animal that was shechted and it's kosher, it should still be asur because of basar v'chalav. So tertzu harishonim, so the Rishonim answer, ki lulei chashash isur nevela lahayu oisim gevinas akum. It's only because of the concern that the animal that's being used to make the cheese is not kosher. That's why the cheese of the non-Jew is asur. Ki ma she'ein davar hamayimid batel hanu rak davar hamayimid shu davar asur. This that we say, that the davar hamayimid, the thing that's holding up the cheese, never is nullified, that's only when the thing that's holding it up is asur itself. Aval basar b'chalav eino nasa davar isur ad sheyitnu tam b'zeh b'zeh. But basar v'chalav, milk and meat being mixed together, can only become considered milk and meat when one is giving flavor into the other. Lefikach lo shayich din davar hamayimid b'kevas behema shchuta. And therefore the fact that you have the stomach lining of the shechted kosher animal, you don't have a problem over here. Ki basar akeva besari batal b'terem shemasbik loseis tam b'chalav. Because the flavoring that's there inside of the keva, the stomach lining of the kosher animal, it becomes batal, it becomes nullified in and of itself, and therefore all that you're left with is the gevina, the milk that is there. And therefore that would not be a problem of cheese being mixed together with meat, and that's why kosher cheese, which is made from kosher milk, is going to be kosher for a Jew to eat. Have a wonderful day.